When you're setting up your job and you're putting together the connection settings, oftentimes what you'll do is you'll fill in all of the different values on each of these different tab pages and you'll save away those settings. Say for instance here W10-beam. Now the problem is that when you're saving away all of these different connection settings across your job, you have to have somebody come back and make sure that these things are correct. And if you don't preset and pre-save and pre-check these settings, then you might have detailers putting in different things or incorrect things with all of these different switches on the dialog box. Now to prevent this tedious, error-prone process, what we're going to do is we're going to edit the settings here within Excel. So here there's a comma delimited file where we can put in the connection number, the shear connection number or component number in Tekla, all of the different design criteria information that typically goes inside of those attribute settings or those dialog box files. And then all we got to do is then basically come in here and open up the shear connections attribute tool, and we'll just go ahead and say import. We'll select that file. Here it gives us a list of all of those different information, which we can modify it here or in the Excel spreadsheet. Then we simply say create attribute files. Within seconds, all of those different attribute and settings files are created rather than you having to manually fill out the dialog box and save those settings away. After we reopen the model, type in a connection number here, open up its properties, we'll now see a specific attribute file with all of the settings and everything created, including the setback, the plate sizes and material grades, all of the bolt edge distances and the connection edge distances, as well as the weld size information, all filled out here automatically for you from the Excel spreadsheet. If you'd like to try out this tool, you can go to the Tekla warehouse, do a search for shear connection attributes, and here you'll see shear connection attributes by CMK BIM Consulting. You can then download and install and use this as a trial version for Tekla Structures 2016 and newer.